The brush card assembly consists of the brush holders, the brush tension springs, the carbon brushes, and the plastic ring that secures it all together. Most problems with the brush card are the result of an overloaded tool. If overloaded, the tension springs and holders can be burnt. This can also cause the plastic ring to melt or warp. Replacing the brush card assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front gear case. I'll remove the anvil from the gear case. Now I'll remove half of the handle housing. There's a sticker at the rear of the housing I'll cut in half. To remove the brush card, I'll lift the motor assembly away from the housing. I'll pull the armature away from the brush card. There are two wires connected to the brush card. I'll note the location of the wires and then go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new brush card. I'll reconnect the wires. Now I need to get the brush card ready to reinstall the motor. I'll pull the brush out of the holder and then set it off to the side. There's some grooves on the sides of the brush holders to hold the spring. I'll pull the brushes back into the holders. And now I can slide the commutator into the brush ring. And I'll place the springs back over the brushes. Now I'll place the motor and gearbox assembly back into the housing. I'll align the notch on the field with the tab on the gearbox. The notch and tab align with the housing and lock into place. I'll make sure the switch, the circuit board, terminal, and all the wires are tucked down into the housing. Now I can reinstall the other half of the housing. Now I'll install the anvil onto the gearbox. I'll make sure I offset the ears on the anvil with the hammers on the gearbox. And I'll reinstall the gear case, sliding it over the handle and aligning it with the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And now you can replace the brush card assembly in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.